The next Casper block reduction is on its way, Caspians, and this is the catalyst for Cas. It's so insane to me, man. Like how everything is playing out like just perfect for this project. The timing when it was released, the technology when it was developed with all of different layer 2 scaling solutions, all of these different things that came out. The people behind the project, the original founders of the project, Jonathan and Aviv, how they had experience. They're literally in the Ethereum white paper. Like, you can't make this up, man. And again, when, Cas was looking like a double top, right? We are entering into Uptober. It's officially Uptober now. And then there's a block reduction, which also helps with the price action, man. It's insane. It's insane. It's like so surreal how freaking amazing this is, right? So from Jim Skibum, next Cas block reward reduction is in 6 days. Will it pump again? Every month, Casper block rewards reduce versus every 4 years for Bitcoin. So basically a halving every month. Do you see how Bitcoin every halving, the block rewards reduce, and then boom, the miners gotta step up the mining rigs to increase the hash rate even more, and that's why you see the bullish moves in Bitcoin. Well, guess what? Every month that happens to Casper. Every month. Like, come on, man. And it's in October as well. That is when it literally was facing a double top. Let me take these lines away so you guys can see. When it was literally about to face a double top, right? When it was retracing here, I thought it would have retraced here and came back down to these levels, right? That's 4 cent, 3 cent, 2 cent. But no, it's starting to coil up going into October, and monthly halving when it was about to face a huge double top pattern right here, right? Now it's looking like it flipped that into a cup in handy, right? Boom, there's the cup, boom, there's the handle. You can't make this up, man. Like, it's tripping me out, guys. I feel like I'm high or something when I, everything I check out about Casper, because, Casper is like making crypto, like, make it look easy, right? The success from Cas is like making crypto look easy. It's crazy. So, did you know by 2037, all Cas coins will be mined, the training wheels will come off, and Cas will have to support itself via network fees. Meanwhile, Bitcoin will still be in its training wheel phase, and who knows, some better technology may usurp the throne. Come on, man. I wouldn't be surprised. At least for Ethereum, man. We coming for Ethereum, man. We coming for you, ETH. We coming for you. 6 days is the next reduction, man. So from Crypto Tommy, great to see the countdown of gradual reduction in block rewards for Cas sets a unique pace compared to Bitcoin. By 2037, when all Cas coins are mined, the network will truly have established itself and proved its self-sustainability. Exciting times ahead, right? That is freaking amazing, man. How everything just lines up, right? Crypto Bull God, Cas 12 hour, it's time to make a major move. Now, I talked about charts. The first video I made for the day, I was gonna get into the charts, but the thread took up a ton of time. So now I'm gonna dive into some of the charts that the Caspians have made. So as you guys can see, like, we're already at that 5 cent range. Again, it's looking like a cup in handy, and we could keep pushing up here going into October, man. It's the first, man. Casper enthusiast, the Casper chart looks like it's only want to go in one direction, Casper Sunday. And typically you don't see moves on a Sunday, right? I'm a religious person. I believe in God, thank you Jesus for everything. And Cas is making moves on a Sunday. Like, come on. Like, that's crazy. Casper God candle soon from 1 Omish. If we break the strong resistance, we're going to 10 cents. It's a matter of time, baby. So me saying 10 to 14 cents for Cas by the end of the year may not, just be a statement, right? Again, like, geez, man. This is potentially what we potentially are going to see going into the end of the year, man. Because once we break here, it's gone. It's gone, man. Vic Revolution. Cas chart update, time frame daily, hidden bullish diversions with stock MFI cross long after receiving volume confirmation, right? So you see, look at the cup in hand. It's right in your face, staring you right in the eye sockets. Look at that. Zoop, zoop. and then it looks like it's ready to break out here. I thought it was gonna be a double top and we were gonna come back down to like 4 cent, less than 4 cent, 3 cent. Nope. So we're gonna see how it plays out as the week comes, and you know how it plays out throughout the week, man. Jim Ski Bum, in spite of any FUD, Cas can't be kept down. There's nothing more powerful than an idea whose time has come. If you had a short open that got liquidated, you really might want to try and understand the origin story of Bitcoin and why Cas completely changes the game. A6 coming, transaction history, double top, sub 2 cent incoming, dust attack, your mental health. Very good. The fudders, the people that want cheaper Cas, man. I'm sorry. You may have to FOMO. You may have to FOMO, man. I'm sorry. I don't know what to tell you. Always dollar cost average in, man. You know, that's always the smartest thing to do. You never know what happens, man. But geez, man, the project is just too unbelievable, man. Crypto Kin, Cas is going to retest its all-time high soon and print higher highs. Do you know why? Because Casper holders know what they hold. No VCs, no shady distribution, no BS. Just a fear launch project with incredible founders, incredible community, incredible potential top tennis program. Fasten your seatbelts and enjoy. And again, this cup in handy is like staring us in the eye sockets now. Like, if it came straight down, no more cup in handy. Did that cup. Now it's looking like it's forming the hand of the breakout, man. Crazy. Squash. Casper 1 week continues to be one of the best looking charts in the top 100. You'd be insane not to own some if you are active in this space, fundamentally and technically alike. Come on, man. It's just, the trend is your friend. Like, every time it reaches, like we saw from Jim Skibum charts, every time it reaches this level, bam, bang, bounces off, bang, bounces off, bang, again. And it's, you know, you could just draw a line right here. Zoop. Hold on. I got my sound effects. You just draw a line right there, and then again, it's bouncing off once again to continue up. RV Crypto. In my 7 years in crypto, follow the miners has always been working out. Right now, Cas is a perfect example of this in a real-life experiment. If this way of thinking is still valid. If so, we can expect a parabolic move in Cas price soon, in my opinion. I expect 10 plus cents. Casper hash rate hits new all-time highs, 32.36, 33 PHS, right? Follow the miners, man. Follow the miners. Price follows hash rate. Price follows hash rate. 10 plus cents going into the end of the year, man. Smart Goo. Some minor updates on Casperlytics since the last tweet. Minor improvements. Chart aspect ratio changed to use more of the vertical screen. Charts should render a little more smoother and faster. You can now actually read axis text in dark mode. Got rid of a few small bugs. More reorganizing and renaming. The sidebar and chart titles went through more reorganizing and renaming. Non-meaningful was rewarded to insignificant midweek. Insignificant was rewarded to dust yesterday. So, shout out to Smart Goo for Casperlytics and what he's doing there. Total Cas held by dust addresses. And that is very interesting stuff, man. Title, name, descriptions updated. URLs still need to be updated. Rust node sorted out how to get this data out of Rust mode. Some things I'm hoping to get done in October. Bunch of new charts. Switch data source. Continue cleanup and better descriptions to each chart. Very awesome, man. Casper news. BTC and Cas regulation friendly. No ICO, fear launch, no dev allocations, driven by community, purely decentralized, secure, no pre-mining, no Cas commercial tricks. Real trilemma solver, fastest. 10 BPS Rust upgrade, most of advanced proof of work ever. Crypto Garage sharing his portfolio. Leave behind the noise of lesser coins, the wild speculations, and the VC driven hype coins. Forget POS and all the distractions. Focus on what truly matters. Cas and Bitcoin. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad. 80% Cas, 20% Bitcoin. I'm not mad at it. Like, honestly, man, they got so much trizash in this space, so much trash projects, man. Like, man, they got so much trash, man. So I'm not mad at it. Undervalued Bay. Casper sky's the limit. Pump harder than bring Casper army to the moon. 77 cents, $1. 7 cents, 10 cents, 5 cents, $1, $5. yeah, man, breaking out all of these lines, like completely being a monster, man, just crushing it, man. And from Simo, over 13% of Casper's circulating supply is not moving for more than 1 year. 48% has not moved for 3 months. Wow. Just as if people know what they're holding. Supply not moving over 1 year. Again, this is from Smart Goose Casperlytics. Shout out to him. They know what they hold, man. They know what they hold. And this is how you make gains in the space. When you got a gem, what CZ said, if you can't hold, you won't be rich. If you got a gem, just relax, man. Don't even swing trade. Don't none of buy, hold, wait until the bull run, start taking profits. That's when you think about, you know, taking profits, man. Not now. Just be patient now. That's all it really boils down to. Wait until the top of the cycle when Bitcoin is at 90K or 85K or 100K. That's where you start taking profits, man. Right now it's just patience. That's it. Caspins, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family. Become a channel member, tune into the live streams. I'll catch y'all in the next one.